Okay, draw an enlargement of the shape below using a scale factor of 2. Okay, so when they ask for enlargement, we just need to look at increasing the size of the shape. Sometimes we have to make the shape smaller, okay, but in this case we're going to make it larger, and scale factor 2 simply means we need to double all the side lengths. Okay, so you see this side length there, it's of length 1, so I'm going to need to double it. That side length there is of length 2, so I'm going to need to double it and make it 4. So let's start off with the top one. Let's make that of length 2 across. Okay, so you've gone from 1 to making it 2, twice as big. The vertical then is 2, so let's make it 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now of course these ones are a bit awkward, aren't they, to do, because they're sort of on an angle. Okay. So what I would do is, quite simply, is think about how you get from here to here. You could think about going on a journey. So instead of going directly across, you could go down 2, across 3. If we see that, yeah, to get from that point to that point, we're going down 2, across 3. Well, because it's scale factor 2, we need to double the length of that journey. So instead of going down 2, across 3, we double it. So we go down, instead of 2, we'd go down 4. And then instead of going across 3, we'd go across 6, if that makes sense. So just look at what you're going down there and across and double it. So of course we're going from this point, so we're going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to go across 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we can go there, and you can join that up. The good thing is then, my last line, I don't have to do any work as such, I just need to get my ruler, line them up, and I can join them. And if you measure the length of that, that's close to 6 centimeters. This is close to 3 centimeters. So you can see it is literally doubled in length. So with another one then, we've got scale factor 4. So this time the length's quadruple. So that's 1. So let's now make it 4 times larger. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this one, again, is going on an angle, isn't it? So we've got to make that 4 times as long. So think about going down 2 across 1, yeah? From that point, down 2 across 1. So if I quadruple it, instead of going down 2, let's times that by 4. So I'm going to go down 8. And instead of going across 1, I've got to go across 4. So down 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And across 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. That there, I mean, you could see that as a diagonal of one of the squares. You could sort of see that nicely then. It's just doing 4 diagonals. So if we line that up nicely, we've got 1 diagonal, 2 diagonals, 3 diagonals. Just going off track there, 4 diagonals. Okay. So you can see I've got 4 diagonals there. Best using the pencil, of course, in case you go wrong. And then just join that up then to finish. Okay.